What's up, everybody? Kid Witty here, making a new video. Well, here's my intro. What's up, everybody? And welcome to Kid. Whatever. So today we're gonna be playing Sup. It's a card game. You guys should download it on your phone and stuff like. Yeah, you guys should download it. So yeah, it's like a racing game. It's like a car game that we get to race and stuff like that. Yeah. Crap, stupid thing. Well, yeah, so yeah. So, time to get the game started. World Cup. Right now, I got these are the cards I got. I got Champion, Stallion, whatever it says, and Stallion, and I got Phoenix, something like that. So, I'm trying to get Phoenix, whatever, like, Hot School. That's what I'm trying to get, but I have no idea how to get him. It's like really hard to get him. But, I'm going to be playing Stallion, whatever his name is. I'm going to be playing round 1. Come on, let's do this. Connect. I'm gonna bet on my victory. Oh, too late then. It's in the place. Let's see. I have to freak up. I love this game. Like, it's mostly one of my favorite games. Almost smashed him. So close. Man, he smashed. Oh, he didn't smash me. He smashed himself. Look up the way S47. Freak S47 or more like Butt Boy 7. Whatever. Well, 2, 3 for the finish. This is we're done. First place. His bomb could be smoking or with a TNT bomb or blowing up other people. Nope, he blows himself up. That's stupid. I don't really like it like that. Followed by Legend Racer. 27. Pretty good. I always pick the middle ones for some reason. Okay. Round 2. Now I'm gonna bet on my victory. 5 if I win. I get first place. See this one? First place. Oh, nope, I'm gonna lose. Yep, I know. I'm losing already. Smash! Oh, you tried. Boom! Actually, used to have the middle finger on this, but they changed it. And tricks time. Third. Oh, it's gonna be the third round. Let's see if I win. And he takes it out of his mouth. Nope, he didn't. He did the same thing. Okay. Oh, that map was pretty good. Oh. Round 3. It's hard. I when I always get to round 3, I lose. Handsome boy made this. Omar 38. Oh, boost pads everywhere. I'm already in first place. No, he got me. Oh, come on, boost. No! I lost some of my money. Yep, Omar. Why is everybody seriously rushing? Ah, freak. See, I hate round 3. Oh no, champion one. Pictures of himself. The freak. Oh, that sucks. Handsome boy. No, that map. Next try free. First, third. That's 20. Plus 20. Plus 6. So. That's 100. Wait, what? 8, 2, 4, 6. Oh, next thing. Oh, freak. Yeah. Epic chest. I got an epic chest and it's in 12 hours. Oh. I don't know. Should I get the gold chest or the epic chest? Tell me in the comment section, okay, guys? Power up. Use this. Nah. I'm good. Well, I'll go back. First of all, here we go. Move. You know what? Dang it, I tried to get you freaking out the way. Oh, takedown. Let's go. You gotta catch me. You're gonna catch me. Too clean with it. Where's my spleen with it? Oh! I'm gonna open this. Like, literally. 73! Oh, epic chest. I'm sorry, gems, but we'll see what I got. I never got epic chest. Parts. Epic coins. And no car. I wish I got a car. Sunset! Phoenix! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys! That's the first time. I'm sorry, Jens. I wasted you. But I can get some more, bro. I literally got the car Sunset. Bro, look at this. Oh my. I've always wanted a new car. And finally. Dang, already 100? Ghost! Oh, just no. Lag. Lag! Lag! What is this thing? I never seen that! I bet this boy just made this track like literally right now. Again! What is this stuff? Everybody's getting. Whoa! They added new things! Wow. That backflip. She winked at. She winked. Oh, that map is awesome. But she winked at me. Well, first I'm just gonna power up. Well, I gotta end it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Break that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See ya.